Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and I'm so glad you're here because today is release day over at Not Too Shabby. We're super excited to share our new fall products, and guess what? There's a Labor Day sale going on right now through September 2nd at 11:59 p.m. This coupon code will expire. You can use coupon code LD15OFF for 15% off your order. The coupon does not apply to some items like subscriptions or class bundles or retreat bundles, but everything else in the shop you can use this coupon code for. So have fun shopping. I'm going to share these beautiful stamp sets that come in your box of the month. I love that apple cider drink image. It's super cute. We've got a little slice of pumpkin pie, a nice pumpkin. We've got those two cute little squirrels. This adorable stamp set is called Hello Friend. I just love it. This one here, we have big, gorgeous sentiments. Let there be pumpkin spice. Here for the pie, a nice pumpkin, pumpkin spice season, fall sweet fall, and it goes great with this pumpkin spice collection. These enamel dots will be your free with 60, and this gorgeous little sticker will be included in your goodie bag for the folks that are on the box of the month. This cute little hedgehog stamp set, so adorable. We've got the sentiments that go perfectly with each image, sending you hedgehogs, rain or shine, caffeine and cuddles, rolling by to say hi, enjoy every page, and thank you. So we have a perfect paper pad to match your stamp here. It's called Hedgehogs, and it's coordinating ephemera. Love that green and brown together. So cute. Remember, if you're not on the club, you can still pick up the paper pads and the coordinating ephemeras on the website. So let's dive into this gorgeous paper pad. I love that light green. It's so pretty. We have cute little hedgehogs with apples, a nice tone-on-tone sheet there. Very pretty polka dots or a dotted pattern. And then you got your apples scattered on the back. A nice brown glitter, a triangle pattern with all of the patterns inside. Beautiful plaids, a nice solid. That green is just stunning. Some baskets with apples, and then your cute little hedgehogs with a basket, and then a nice beige color. So let's take a look at the coordinating ephemera. Love that little roly-poly hedgehog. He's so cute. We've got the sentiment Hello Autumn. We've got little fillers like apples, acorns, and leaves. We've got the little hedgehog with the latte cup, with the book and the umbrella. Another sentiment Hello Fall. And then a cute little hedgehog with a hat waving high. He could be reaching for an apple. The leaves could be falling down. You could make some really cute scenes. Another scene idea is take the hedgehog with the umbrella and have leaves falling down. So super fun. I hope you guys enjoy playing with these products. And if you make some cute creations, hashtag me at hashtag Not Too Shabby Shop so I could find them. Let's take a look at the pumpkin spice collection. So I love pumpkin spice colors. They're just so cozy, and I love fall. I love oranges and browns, the green. So this paper pad screams Jamie all over it. I love it. So we got cute little pumpkin spice mugs and plaids and pumpkin spice cupcakes and leaves. It's just right up my alley. So I hope you guys love it too. I'm going to show you the cards that I created after I shared the ephemera, so stick around. So here is the very cute ephemera pieces. They match perfectly with the pumpkin spice enamel dots. So if you're shopping today, check those out. Or if you're spending over $60, you'll get that free in your package. So I'm going to lay all these out for you so you could get a better look at that. And then we're going to share my cards. I'm excited to share my pumpkin spice cards with you. This one measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I used the Easy Wonder Die add-ons for this card. So the Easy Wonder Die #1 add-on and the #2 add-on for my oval. I used the Sentiment Snuggle Weather and then 2 pieces of ephemera, some gold strips on the sides here. Turned out really cute. Nice and simple, but very cute. This one I really like. This is a mini slimline card, and this mini slimline card measures 3 by 6. I used the sentiment, Let There Be Pumpkin Spice, and I have a bunch of ephemera pieces on here with some enamel dots, some gold strips, and 2 patterns from the paper collection. So these are the enamel dots that I used on these cards. This is the Pumpkin Spice sparkly enamel dots that you can get free now with an order of $60 or more. You'll see the free gift listing pop into your cart once your order qualifies. I really like this one too with the hill, the plaid hill. And then I have the sentiment Caffeine and Cuddles, and that sentiment's from the Little Hedgehog stamp set. And then my ephemera pieces. I have a couple popped up. Turned out really cute. And these images are from the Hello Friend stamp set. Beautiful, cute little squirrels. And then the sentiment, We Are Thankful. And then some enamel dots there. And this mini slimline card measures 5 by 3 1/2. This is my favorite size to make for mini slimline cards because you don't waste any cardstock. And then this cute little note card with the sentiment Fall Sweet Fall and 2 of the leaves from the Stamp of the Month. This little card measures 2 1/2 by 3 inches. So those are my cute little pumpkin spice cards. Let's take a look at the Stamp and Die of the Month and the Paper Pad Club of the Month. These 2 clubs are open. You can subscribe and save 18% off or purchase as a one-time purchase. This stamp set is super cute. I think this one's going to sell out quickly. This set here is called Fall Forest Friends. We have cute sentiments, Forever Friends, Family is Everything, Thankful for You, and Gather Together. The coordinating die does come on a magnetic sheet for easy storage. Let's take a look at the Paper Pad Club of the Month. This one's called Blissful Autumn. Features a really cute fox, lovely fall colors. What a beautiful glitter sheet that is right there. That golden glitter. We have nice deep browns in this paper pad, some green. Love that sheet full of leaves. Really super cute. A nice mustard yellow. I really like this plaid. It's got like some shimmery glittery lines through it. And then we've got the nice geometric pattern there. Here are our cutouts. So you get 4 of those. You can cut them out, trim them out with your scissors or your electronic cutter, and use them to create focal points on your cards. And then here's the last sheet, and then a nice brown glitter. The next paper pad is called Fall Forest Friends, and this one is very, very cute. It's got the coordinating ephemera, so if you join the club, there's an option to add on ephemera. Usually every month there's one paper pad that coordinates with the ephemera, and the other pad has the cutouts. So this month we have these cute bears, cute forest animals, and the stamp set matches it. So it's really fun to put projects together that are so cohesive and effortless. So I'm going to show my cards after I share the paper and the ephemera, so stick around for that. Love that sheet with all the leaves on it, and the glitters in here are just so pretty. Oh, aren't those deers so precious? And the bear and the fox. I just love these cute little forest critters surrounded by fall leaves. Oh, they're so cute. So let me play a little bit of music while I lay this out, and then meet me back for my card share. And here are my 3 little cards using the Paper Pad Club of the Month. They turned out really cute. So I love this cute little fox that you get in the cutouts. This card here, let's see, it measures, I think it's like 6.5 by 3.5. So we got a longer slimline card. And then these are our traditional A2 size cards. And then I did the rosettes and tucked in some of the ephemera, added a little bow with a flower. And for this rosette, I'm posting the video today sharing how to make this rosette on my channel memberships. So if you are a channel member, you'll be able to get access to that video. So the cute little fox from the Stamp of the Month, and all of these little decorations like the mushrooms and the leaves are also from the stamp set. I have it paired up with Thinking of You, some burlap and some flowers and enamel dots for my decoration there. So those were really fun. Stick around if you'd like to see still photos of all my cards today. Also, don't forget to use the coupon code LD15 off. That expires on the 2nd. Save 15% off your Not Too Shabby goodies.